Good morning, children. So, here this is your second part of your first chapter. Your first chapter name what? You remember? Yes, more on large numbers. So, here we study numbers in lakhs and numbers in crores. That's a big number. You already seen your home so many items. If you are purchasing so many items that time, a big items have big value or big price, so that how to read in your checkbook, in your father's checkbook, some numbers is writing, how to read that number. So this situations, how to read that number, we will study in our this session. So all of you listen carefully. So we will start our second session. Children, this is your learning outcome. So after this session, you can read and write above 5-digit numbers. Okay, any number you can read after this section. Okay.
We can count very large numbers starting from 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore and 10 crores. So, when we are counting by ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, then we are using Indian system of numeration. Here we make use of hundreds, thousand, lakhs, crores, etc. So, let us try to read this big number using the Indian numeral system. First, let us place it under the place value chart according to the Indian numeral system. So, starting from the rightmost digit, we know it is the ones place. Then comes the tens place. Then hundreds. Then thousands. Then 10,000s. Then lakhs. Followed by 10 lakhs. Then crore. And then 10 crores. So, now it becomes very easy to read any large number if we place it under the place value chart according to the numeral system. Here we are using the Indian numeral system. So what is this number? This number is equal to 38 crores, 24 lakhs, 5,765. See, it became so easy to read such a large number. In case we are confused, then after placing it under the numeral system, we can start reading the crores. Like how many crores are there? Here we have 38 crores. Next, it is followed by lakhs. Here we have 24 lakhs. What is followed? It is followed by thousands. Here we have 5,000s. And lastly, it is followed by how many hundreds, tens and ones. So, this way we can read any large number easily. You know, in the Indian system of numeration, we use commas to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. So, comma is used to mark how many thousands are there, how many lakhs are there and how many crores are there. Let us see this with an example. Where does first comma come? If you remember about the units period, it comprises of ones, tens and hundreds position, and comma is placed after this. So, it marks thousands. Here we know there are 5 thousands and we can read the number as 5348. Next, if we talk about the second comma, where does it come? We know the first comma is marking the thousands and it is placed after the units period. And after unit periods we have thousands period. So the comma is placed after the thousands period, and what does it mark? It marks how many lakhs. So here we have 8 lakhs, and if we read the number, then it is 8,45,780. Now, if we talk about the third comma, here we already have the first comma, which is after the units period. Then here we have second comma, which is after the thousands period, and then we have lakhs period. So this is the lakhs period, which consists of digits at lakhs and 10 lakhs place values. So the third comma is placed after the lakhs period and it marks crores. Like here we have 5 crores. So now you know how to read large numbers according to the Indian numeral system. Now let us read this number according to the Indian numeral system. So we know this is crores place, this is lakhs place, this is thousand, and this consists of unit period, which is of 100, tens and ones. So the number can be read as 5 crores, 23 lakhs, 18,000 and 50. See, 5 crores, 23 lakhs, 18,000 and 50. So that was all about Indian numeral system.
Okay children, so here we start our second session. Okay, this is place value chart of Indian system. Our number system divided into two, that is Indian place value system and international place value system. Okay, so according to Indian system, we can divide the numbers into periods. So for easiness of reading the number, we can dividing the numbers into periods. These are the periods: ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. These are the periods according to the Indian system. Okay, using this Indian system, we can read any 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, any digit number we can read using this place value chart. Okay, so here we studied numbers in lakhs and numbers in crores using this place value chart. Are you ready? Okay, first I am writing one number, that is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and this, how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits that you already studied. Here I am writing one more number, that is 1. So now how many digits here? 6 digits here. Here which is the ones place? This is ones place, this is tens, hundreds, thousands, this is 10,000s, and this is which period? One more page, you will look here, you are starting from this ones place only. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, this is lakhs. Okay, this is the lakhs period. So according to the Indian system, we can put commas, insert commas for reading the number. How to insert commas? Yes, So ones, tens, hundred. This is which period? Ones, tens, hundred. This number is, this is which period? Ones period. So we can put that 1. Tens period number is 8 and 100 period number is 7. Okay, then so these are the ones period. So before, after that ones period we can put 1 comma. Okay, after that 100 put 1 comma. Then which are the next period, next place? Thousands place, that is 6. 10,000s place number is this 4. 4 is writing. Okay, so this is the thousands period. So again after that 10,000 period we can put 1 more comma. Okay, then what is the last period, last place is 2. 2 is in which place? Is lakhs place, number is 2. 2 I am writing. So that lakhs place number is 2. So how to read this number? Now how to read this number is here. This is lakhs period number 2. So 2 lakh. Then 10,000 period number is 10,004 and thousands is 6. So thousands period number is 46. So 46,000. Then ones period number 781. So what is this number? 2 lakh 46,781. You understand? Okay. Still, again one more example I will show you. That is 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 5. Okay. Can you read this number? How to read this number? First you listen. First you count from this side. So this is ones, tens, 100. So after 100 you put 1 comma. Okay. After 100 put 1 comma. Then which is the thousands period number is 7 and 4. So 4 is in 10,000s period. So after 10,000 period also you put 1 comma. So according to Indian system, first you put comma after the 3 digit, then after every 2 digit number you can put comma. If after this 3 one more number is there, then you can put 1 comma after that 2 digit. Okay. Then how to read this number is, first you put these numbers on this place value chart. This ones place number is 5, tens 9, hundreds 8, then thousands 7, 10,000 4, then lakhs period 3. Okay, how to read this number? Yes, 3 lakh. Lakhs period number is 3, so 3 lakh. Then thousands period number is 47, so 47,000. Then 895. Understand? 3 lakh 47,895. You understand how to read a 6-digit number? This is numbers in lakhs. Okay. Okay children, here I am writing one number. Okay. Can you say how many digits are here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are here. Can you say how to read this number? Can you say? Okay, before reading, first you put the commas. How to put comma? So after 100 put 1 comma, then every 2 digit after you can put comma, that is thousands period. After thousands period you can put 1 comma, then lakhs period. Okay, so how to read this number now? Yes, which is the lakhs period number? Yes, this is 10 lakh period also here, that is 43 lakh. Okay, 43 lakh. Then what is the thousands period number? Yes, 79,000. Then what is the ones period number? Yes, 100 place number 5, so 561. What's the number name of this number? 43,79,561. You understand how to read a 7-digit number? Where did you see this type of numbers in your life? You can see this type of numbers in every situations, for purchasing and in our home we can use this type of 7-digit or 6-digit or 5-digit. Every time, one time we can use a numbers. Okay, without numbers we can read every time, or in your clock, in your calendar, numbers are there. If numbers is not there, how to read a calendar, how to read your clock? Okay, so numbers in our life, numbers have very important place. So you read and write numbers using this place value chart. We can read numbers easily. Okay, if any digit number you will get, first you put comma. So after the 3 digit, so 100 place you can put comma, then every 2 digits after you can put comma, then you can read any number. Understand? Okay, you look children, I am writing one more number. Okay, you listen. One more number. 1 7 2 3 4 5 6. Now this have how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits are there. I am writing one more digits here. That is which number? Yes, 8 I am writing. Okay, 8 I am writing here. Okay, how to read this number? It's a big number. How to read this number? First what you do? Yes, put comma before. After this ones period, put 1 comma. This is ones period number, so after 100 put 1 comma. Then you take thousands period. Which are the thousands period? That is 4 and 3, 1000 or 10,000. Then put 1 comma. Then which is the lakhs period? Lakh, 10 lakh. Before, after that 10 lakh put 1 comma. Then which one more number is there? That is what? Yes, that is crores. You understand? Crores. This is crores. So that is crores period. Which is the crores period number? Is 1. In 10 lakh period number 7, and lakhs period 2, 10,000 period 3, thousands period 4, 100 5, tens 6, and ones 8. Can you read this number? Crores period number is 1, so 1 crore. Then lakhs period 72 lakh, thousands period 34,000. Then ones period what? 568. You understand how to read this 8-digit number? How to read 1 crore? Crore is the next one. Crore after lakh, next is crores. 1 crore 72 lakh 34,568. What's the spelling of crores? Yes, C R O R E S. Study the spelling of crores, lakhs, thousands, hundreds, then 1 2 3 20 30 40, that you already know that. So crore spelling is this. So otherwise you can't write the number name. Understand how to read a 7-digit or 6-digit or 5-digit, above 5-digit number, how to read and write? You understand? Okay. Then look children, next is place value. Can you say the place value of this circled digit? Which is circled digit? 4. What is the place value of 4? Look here, this number chart, place value chart. 4 is in which place? Is thousands place. So what is the place value? Not thousands. Place value is 4 into 1000. That means 4000. Understand? This is the place value. Can you say the place value of this 7? How to write the place value? Place value of 7. 7 is in which place? Yes, this lakhs, 10 lakh period is 7. So first 7 you write. 7 into 10 lakh. 10 lakh how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 0. So 7 into 10 lakh. 2, 6 zeros in 10 lakh. So this is 70 lakh. Understand? So these are the place value. Understand the place value? Then face value, you already know that face value have no change. That face value is 4 itself. Children, this is your notebook corner. So here I am giving some numbers. So this is for your practice. So you practice in your home to write the number names. Otherwise you can't write the number names. That's why I am giving the question. So insert commas to separate periods and express the numbers in words. So this number, put commas you first, then write the number name of these numbers. Okay. Children, you look here. This is your part 1 homeworks. Answers I am giving here. You refer it. Okay. First question, write in numerals. That means number name given 6,28,466. 6 lakh. So 6 I am writing. Then 6,28,000. So 28,000. Then 466. 466. This is the number of that number. This is the numeral for that number name. Then next 2,16,000. So 2,16,873. 873. This is the next numeral for the second question answer. Okay. Then third one, 7 lakh. 45,000. 45,029. 45,029 is there. There is no 100 place. So putting 0. Then write 29. This is the answer of the 3 questions. You understand? Okay. Then write in words. Here you write the number names. First one, 68,000. 68,000. 68,000. Then 43. There is no 100 place. So 43. 68,043 is the answer. 68,043. Then what's your second question? Yes, 96,000. 96,000. 96,000. Then 400. 100 place is there. So 400. Then 65. 65. Okay, this is your second question. Then what is the third question? Yes, one more period is there, that is lakh period. So 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 15,000. 15,000. Then 399. 399. Okay, 399. Then last one, 2 lakh. 2 lakh. 8,000. 500. 576. 76 is the answer. Understand? This is the answers for your part 1 homework. Okay. Then what's the third question? What are the missing numbers? Here some numbers are missing. So here 38,793. So what is the 10,000's place number? Yes, 38. So 30,000. Okay. 4 zeros. 3. Then remaining 4 digits are there. So 4 zeros. Then 8,000. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So then 7 lakh 8,000. Thousands place number is 8. There is no 10,000's place, so 8,000 is writing. Then 100 place number 300. There is no tens place, so 0. No need of writing 0, that's why not writing. Then 60,000, 6 lakh. So 6 lakh. Then 50,000, 50,000. Then there is no 10,000's place number. Then next is 100 place is 3, so 300. Then 95, 10's place number 9, so 90, 95. Then what is next last one? 5 lakh. 5 lakh is writing. Okay, 5 lakh. There is no 10,000's place, so 9,000 is writing. Then 500. 100 place number 5, 500. Then 10's place number 8, so 80 plus 3. 1's place number is 3. So this is the answer for your third question. Understand? Then the last question, place value. Place value of 6. 6 is in 1's place, so no change. 6 and face value also 6. Okay, because that's the 1's place. Then what is 10's place number? That is 4. So 4 into 10, 40. Then what's the place value of 7? 7 into 100, 700. What's the place value of 9? 9 is in thousands place, so 9 into 1000, 9,000. What's the place value of last digit? That's 6. So 6 into 10,000, that is 60,000. Okay. Then all the face values. Face value of 4 is 4 itself. Face value of 7 is 7 itself. Face value of 9 is 9 itself. Face value of 6 is 6 itself. Understand? These are the answers for your part 1 question. Then children, today's homework, you take your worksheet 1A. Okay children, what all points we discussed today is how to make above 5 digit number. So if you have to see any 5 digit numbers and above 5 digit numbers, you can read, isn't it? You can read it? Yes, you can read any 5 digit number and above the 5 digit numbers you can read using Indian face value system. Put commas and then you can read it. Okay. Next, face value of a number. So these all points are we discussed today. I think all of you understand. Okay children, do you understand today's session? I think all of you understand today's session. So we will finish our second session. After this session, I think all of you understand, all of you can read and write above 5 digit numbers. So next we study numbers in millions. That means international system. We will study our next session. So see you again all of you. Thank you.